We have the finalists of Young Researcher Symposium 2024 here, so we'll just hear from them how is the overall experience. How is it?
Well, I guess it was an outstanding experience. For me, it was the first one in India, and especially I liked a lot the interest that the audience demonstrated to the specific topic.
How do you think, especially the young researchers, will get benefited from the workshop and this symposium competition as it?
Rubbing shoulders with giants who are here in the concrete industry is a very great experience for anybody and a great learning for me at least.
Do you think platforms like this will help in some way to bridge the gap between academia and the industry, the requirements at the industry level? How do you think?
Yeah, that's good. Good question, really. Yeah, the bridging gap between the researchers and the industrial experts, and in between the PhD scholars and students, it will be more, what will we say, friendly in manner. So it is so nice, and the organizing committee has been conducted good, and they have been organized everything well by following each steps. And thank you for that.
For me, this is a coming back home experience. Thank you for funding the symposium for me. So this is the first time I'm coming back to IITM after graduating from here. So I know IITM is organizing, BTCM is organizing such type of events throughout the year. So this is the one among the largest. So and also as a alumni of this institute, I know how much sacrifice of time and resources are here to organize this type of events. Thank you.
Can you pass? How is the overall experience of the workshop and how do you feel about IIT Madras?
I introduce myself first. I'm from Malaysia. This is my first visit to India. It's definitely my pleasure to able to share all my PhD research in front of all the researchers all around the world. Okay, if there's a chance again, do sponsor me again for next year's symposium. Thank you. Same question.
Yeah. First of all, I think we don't get to, like, as a researchers, we don't get to tell the whole story when it comes to like publishing some papers on in conferences. So only in the thesis we write the story, and I think nobody reads it. So it's a good place to you get a chance to tell like what you are doing overall. Otherwise, it becomes too specific. Specific is good, is required, but somewhere there should be like telling story of the thing should be also be there. You get a chance of that, and you get to listen to all the professors like in a like row. So that is also a very good option. So I think, yeah, yes. And organizers are also doing very good job. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. My name is Mor Saptiu. So personally, coming from doing a PhD, that is an industrial PhD, which is a collaborative PhD between University of Leeds and National Highways of England. I see this as a unique opportunity for us to present some of our work to some of industry personnel. So as you can see from today's presentation, where an industry person was asking about some questions on how they can fix a problem that they have. So if you have such kind of discussion going on, then it really also guides you, the researcher, on some of the things you should look at when you are doing your research. But what I find really interesting is the unique opportunity for young researchers to share the same platform with some of the professors that they've been reading their papers and then, referring to in their journals and in their thesis. So that unique platform also gives you something to look up to, and then how you can also, progress with your research career and other stuff. Thank you very much.
Hello, I'm Satya, and adding on to my colleague what he just said, not only to what we can look up to, but it is a nice platform to instruct the young PhD scholars who are just starting, so that we can tell them it's okay to take your time and then define your research and everything, because PhD itself is not a full defined or 100% certain program. So every time you need to reinvent yourself and move forward.
So in that aspect, it's a very nice networking session. Thank you very much for the organizers and the professors. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Ali. I want to add something different. Thank you for delicious food. And thank you for warm people here. For me, it's very amazing, and I'm a first time I am coming Indian city. Thank you very much. Thank you.